Zodiac plants. You probably wonder what the plants of the zodiac are. Well, each person is born with a specific zodiacal sign, and each zodiacal sign has special plants. Bringing zodiac plants home brings positive energy, health, happiness, wealth, and good luck. Here are the fortunate plants for every sign of the zodiac. Aquarius, January 20 to February 18. Aquarius is independent and enjoys socializing. They prefer plants with a unique and exotic charm. Birds of paradise and heliconia are their best floral plants. Pisces, February 19 to March 20. Pisces are the most mystical sign of the zodiac. Plants with antibacterial properties are fortunate for these individuals. Rosemary, water lily, and lotus are great choices for Pisces. Aries, March 21, April 19. Aries people are fearless and strong when it comes to face the challenges. Aries, lucky plants are hibiscus, red roses, or calendula. Taurus, April 20 to May 20. Element of Taurus is earth. A person with this sign is extremely hardworking, stubborn, and practical. All these traits you can find in curry leaf, night blooming jasmine, and spinach. Gemini, May 21 to June 21. Gemini are blessed with intelligence, enthusiasm, or flexibility. The Gemini plants are succulents as they show same traits. Cancer, June 22 to July 22. Cancerians are sentimental and family-oriented. Money tree, bay leaf and white flowers are perfect for this zodiac sign. Leo, July 23 to August 22. Leo attracts people. Plants with heart-shaped leaves are capable of bestowing good fortune upon Leos. Marigold, sunflower, dahlia is Leo's zodiac plants. Virgos, August 23 to September 22. Virgos are supportive and trustworthy. Their supporting nature matches with orchids and rubber plants. Libra, September 23 to October 23. Libras are social, diplomatic, and art-loving. All beautiful flowering plants with enticing aroma are favorites of Librans. Monster plant, neem, asparagus, millingtonia are good choices for Librans. Scorpio, October 23 to November 21. Scorpions have a powerful presence and demanding personalities. They possess fervent and honest character. Zigzag cactus, aloe vera, dracaenas, jade plants are perfect companions for scorpions. Sagittarius, November 23 to December 21. Independent and strong-willed, Sagittarius personalities are all about going off the beaten path. For the curious sags, dandelion, desert rose, alocasia, and air plants are excellent zodiac plants. Capricorn, December 23 to January 19. Capricorns are traditional, realistic, and disciplined. Bonsai, lucky bamboo, bread flower, and croton are Capricorn's zodiac plants. Now, you know about the zodiac signs. So, which zodiac plant are you bringing home today?